Millions of milk bottles are produced every day. But where does this journey begin?
Welcome to Mega Factory Universe.
Fresh milk begins its journey on modern dairy farms with healthy, carefully raised cows. Modern dairy farms use automated milking systems that ensure every drop of milk is collected safely, hygienically, and efficiently. Fresh milk is immediately cooled and tested to preserve its quality and freshness.
Insulated tanker trucks transport fresh milk safely to the processing factory.
The fresh milk arrives at the processing factory for its first detailed inspection.
Every batch is tested to ensure it meets strict quality and food safety standards.
The milk is carefully filtered to remove tiny impurities before further processing. The milk is gently heated to destroy harmful bacteria while preserving its natural quality.
Homogenization creates a smooth texture by evenly distributing the natural milk fat.
The processed milk is rapidly cooled to keep it fresh before packaging begins. Food-grade plastic bottles are formed automatically using high-speed industrial blow molding machines. Every bottle is inspected to ensure it is perfectly clean, strong, and free from defects.
Before filling, every bottle is thoroughly cleaned to maintain the highest hygiene standards.
Precision filling machines dispense the exact amount of fresh milk into every bottle. Automatic sealing machines secure every bottle to keep the milk fresh and protected.
Labels and production dates are applied before the bottles move to final packaging.
Robotic systems carefully pack every bottle into cartons for safe transportation. Finished cartons are stored in refrigerated warehouses to keep the milk fresh. Refrigerated trucks prepare to deliver fresh milk across cities and towns. Fresh milk reaches supermarkets, ready for customers to enjoy every day. From farm to breakfast table, that's the complete journey of fresh milk. Thanks for watching Mega Factory Universe.